Okay guys, first enjoy the cinematics and then I'll talk about the camera. So the Sony people called me and told me the camera has arrived, and also a few days ago we have already paid advance for this camera, and now within couple of seconds we'll go to Sony store. Come on!
Welcome to Sony, sir.
Thank you. First of all, thank you so much mom for buying me this camera, and I really love you. So actually from the past 6 months this camera was in the bucket list and I was continuously saving money to buy this camera. But one day my mom comes to me and she says, I'm buying you a camera, don't worry about the budget. Take any camera you want. The camera was literally in my bucket list and she said, let's buy it today. That excitement was literally very high and I was over the moons. So many of my audience might be asking, why did you buy camera? Like, what is the specific exact purpose of the camera purchase? So the number one reason is, of course, my tech channel. So this tech channel is my primary YouTube channel. Like, I am working on this channel from many years, so I wanted to upgrade the video quality. So before it was like 7 out of 10, but now it will be 10 out of 10. So I was recording all my YouTube videos from this phone. So this Poco M4 Pro 4G, sudden jump from this phone to this camera will be a very good improvement in the quality of the video. So I wanted to do it, guys. So the number 2 reason is Krix Media. For those who don't know, I'm running a media agency called Krix Media. So here I do brand shoots, client videos. So I provide all other digital services. So you can enter the link below to reach my website, my portfolio. So if you love my work, you can also become my client, and definitely I love to work with you guys. So the second reason was just to shoot my client videos in a professional camera. Since this camera supports 4K recording and all other features, like this camera has lot of features. Because of that thing, I wanted to be professional, plus I wanted to deliver super quality results to my clients. And of course, you cannot shoot in this kind of phones, plus the iPhone won't match the quality of this Sony camera. So that's the second reason for which I bought the camera. Now the zoom lens is set to 20mm. I'll just zoom out. Okay, now this is 16mm and I'll zoom in to the max, which is 50mm. So this is 50mm and this is 16mm. For me, this kit lens is more than enough, and if I want to upgrade, I'll upgrade to some Sigma 16mm or some better lens in future. But right now I'm not going to upgrade anything. Audience, if you ask me why did you buy the Sony ZV-E10L, here's the answer for you. So first thing is, it's perfect for beginners. Since I came from smartphone shooting, like I wanted something which is perfect for beginners and ease of use, the main thing. But now I'm using it in manual mode just because I know everything about the camera, and I learned everything about the camera. With the research of 6 months, I got to know each and everything about the camera, guys. Now the shutter speed is set to 1/50, aperture is set to 4.2 and the ISO is set to 1000. So this is the video quality of this camera and I really love it, guys. So now here's a side-by-side video comparison. On the right it is Sony ZV-E10L and on the left it is Poco M4 Pro. Just take a look at the video quality, guys. Okay, I can guarantee you that there is a huge difference from jumping from a smartphone to a camera, and I really love it, guys. So, and the second reason is budget friendly. So since my mom paid for this camera, I didn't want her to spend more than a lakh. I wanted something in less budget, so this is the best camera under budget, guys. So the biggest advantage of this camera is the interchangeable lens. So this camera comes with a 16 to 50mm kit lens. Right now I'm using kit lens, but in future I may upgrade to a better lens. I can just easily swap the kit lens from this camera and I can install the new one. Before I was actually thinking of buying Sony ZV-1 or ZV-1F, but Sadly, those cameras doesn't have interchangeable lens. So guys, one more thing I wanted to ask you. Shall I shoot all my videos in 4K resolution or 1080p resolution? Like, I thought of shooting in 4K, but if people are not watching in 4K resolution, then I don't think it is useful. Just let me know in the comments, guys. I'll go according to the majority. So I'm okay with any resolution, but it's just my audience preference. Now I'll tell you what exactly I upgraded in my studio. So the number one is camera. Of course, the camera. And number two is I upgraded the audio along with the camera. So this is my new microphone. It's Boya BY-M1 and I really love this microphone because of its audio quality. And right now the audio is being recorded in BY-M1. So just take a look. So along with the video quality, I upgraded audio quality as well. So this message is for all the local tech brands who are trying to grow more. You can use our YouTube channel to grow more. So this channel will help you to grow more and reach wider audience. So we'll be helping your local tech products to reach more audience. So this channel promotes Make in India movement. So all the Indian brands, you can reach out, you can mail me and let's work together. So that was all about it, guys. I hope you like this new upgrade. Goodbye.